Did you ever wish you could tell when the market is about to turn without guessing? Today, we are going to show you a stunning method of supercharging your trading, doing exactly that. Imagine spotting the exact moment when price is ready to bounce up or roll over, all backed by momentum theory. We are going to be looking at the RSI hidden bands trading system, a tool that helps you to catch moves before they explode. If you trade intraday or swing, you'll want to stay till the end to understand this super system. So, what exactly does it do? For each candle, the closing price projected to make the RSI cross above 75 as well as to make the RSI cross below 25 is computed and projected as a band. The band is then used to generate buy and sell signals. Now, this is not your regular Bollinger Band or Keltner Band. It is a momentum based predictive band that tells you when price is escaping from oversold pressure or dropping from overbought heat. It works fantastically for scalpers, positional traders, as well as for swing traders. The big idea here is that instead of treating all price moves the same, we separate up moves from down moves, measure each one's strength, and then use that to project where price might get stretched to next. It's like tracking the score of a tug of war between bulls and bears and then predicting which rope mark they'll cross. To give you confidence in the system without much mathematics, here are the 4 steps needed to generate these signals. Step 1, measure the momentum. We use ROC 1% to measure the basic momentum. Positive changes in the momentum go into stream Z, which is the bull momentum, and negative changes go into the stream Y, which is the bear momentum. Both streams are then smoothed with a 14 period Wilder's moving average, the formula of which is given on the screen. Basically, we are measuring how fast price changes from one candle to the next. If it's up, it counts for the bulls. If it's down, it counts for the bears. Then we smooth it out to ignore small wiggles and focus on the real push. Step 2 is to set the thresholds. We borrow RSI's overbought 75 and oversold 25 levels. The reason that we stretch it a little beyond the standard 70 and 30 is to provide an additional filter to avoid spurious signals. Then we calculate how much price needs to move to hit these thresholds. So instead of checking if we are above 75 or below 25, like we do in the normal RSI, we figure out how much further would price have to go to actually reach those danger zones. This gives us more forward looking levels. Step 3 is to project the bands. Once the top projection and bottom projection are computed, we set the upper band above the close and the lower band before the close. Please remember that these are predictive lines and not just lagging indicators. They are effectively the stretch points, the amount required by the price to move to hit the 75 level or the 25 level. By the way, if you're finding this helpful, we have just launched our live technical analysis course on www.chartinfo.org. If you want to understand how to analyze a chart perfectly and convert an analysis into a profitable trade and actually apply what you're learning to the markets, this would be an ideal course for you. We cover everything from price action trading and indicators to trading methods and systems in our own unique way. And it's all interactive, so you can clarify doubts in each class. Definitely check it out at the website if you're ready to level up. Now back to the video. Finally, we have the step 4, which is the trading trigger. We buy when prices cross above the lower band from below, indicating that the bulls are taking control of the asset under study. We sell when prices cross the upper band from above, indicating that bears are taking control of the asset under study. Effectively, this is a predictive forward looking band, unlike most of the lagging bands which have been studied earlier, like the Bollinger Band or the Keltner envelope. We now move on to study a few real life examples of how this band works and generates signals to give us immense profits. We now see the system in action on the hourly chart of State Bank of India. You can see the RSI plotted on top and the upper band and the lower band plotted in red and blue on top of the candlestick chart of State Bank of India. The sell signals and buy signals follow the theory given in the Pine 6 code, and you can see that the sell signals appear where the RSI has gone overbought, and however these are predicted levels and not lagging levels, and therefore have a higher degree of accuracy than the normal RSI study. These are the buy and sell arrows generated on the hourly chart of State Bank of India based on the system which we have just discussed. You can see that the buy signal here and the sell signal here and the subsequent buy and sell signals, some signals have been automatically eliminated because the full conditions were not met at these points. On the chart of RBL Bank futures, you can see mostly sell signals. There are almost no buy signals. The reason being that RBL Bank was in a continuous uptrend, and therefore the RSI did not go into the oversold area to be able to generate a signal. Hence, only sell signals appeared. Here is the chart of Adani Enterprises where you can see a sell here, another sell here, a buy here. All these have given phenomenal and accurate signals in terms of large swings on the charts. Finally, we see the chart of Apple Incorporated where we see buy and sell signals coming with stunning accuracy. Please remember that we are an educational channel and every trade must be checked and certified by a professional portfolio manager. Like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. All the best till our next video. Thank you for watching.